Kiki, who's that?
Kiki. Papa.
Papa. Can you see it?
Yeah, what pop-up get you, Kiki?
Beach.
Beach.
Beach? You're not going to the beach yet. Can you look at me? Look at me. Say, I love you, pop-up.
Hello, Papa.
Can you blow him a kiss?
Blow Papa a kiss.
Over here, blow him a kiss. Kinley, what is it? Get it out.
Kinley, what did Papa get you? What is this? There's a rocket in my pocket. Look, he got you a very nice book. Look at that pretty book. We have to read this book. Huh? Let me hear your Wawa.
What's in there, Kiki? What's in there?
What's this one? Pop-Up reads Dr. Seuss. He reads you this book. So I get to turn the pages and Pop-Up will read you this book. What's this? Can you pull this out? What's that? Oh my goodness! What is that?
Is that a funny guy?
Yeah.
Is that a walk-it?
That's a walk-it. Can you say walk-it?
Hi, Kinley.
Did you just give him a kiss?
Can I have a little kiss? Sit down. Look, Kiki, you want to read this story before bed tonight? Yes. Oops, there's a star.
Kinley, can you grab...
Can you say thank you, Papa? Papa gave you this. Can you say thank you? Look. No, this is Kiki's. Hold your little walker and look at Daddy. Say thank you, Papa.
Kiki, look it over here.
She's looking for
What are you doing?
That's Papa.
Yeah, sit down. Can you say thank you, Pop-Up? Ooh.
What that?
What's that?
What that?
Walk it.
Walk it.
Yes, good girl. Walk it.
Do you like your walk it?
Kinley, who are you pushing in your stroller? Push that? Yes, good girl.
What that?
Walk it. Good girl.
Oh, Papa, thank you so much for giving us this awesome book and reading it to us. Yeah. And what else? And your walk it. Let's see, he gave us a note.
Can you say thank you, Pop-Up?
Yeah, that's for Mama.
Kinley, look at Daddy. Can you say thank you to Pop-Up? Kiki.
Okay, let's say thank you. Say thank you, Papa.
Kiki, can you say thank you?
That's Mama.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you say, Kinley, look over here. Look at Daddy. No?
Kiki, look. Here's Papa. Can you say thank you, Papa? Kiki, look. There's Papa. Say thank you, Papa.
Okay, sit down.
Walk it. There you go. Now he's nice and cuddly.
No.
Okay, here. Can you say thank you to Papa? Look. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Say bye-bye to Pop-Up. Kiki, look over here. Say bye-bye, Pop-Up.